So as a Shiba Inu holder, many are probably wondering, have we reached the bull market top? Is this the end of our bull run? Well, this is what analyst Stacy Murr is suggesting based on some data between smart contracts and meme coin crashes. All right. So what this article said was meme coins are indicating the end of the crypto bull run. And I have to say, first and foremostly, guys, I disagree completely. And I want to show you a few reasons why this is. Now, what she was citing was, she said this is very logical. Crypto bull markets begin with BTC or smart contract platforms due to factors like liquidity, risk reward profiles, and technological breakthroughs. These assets signal that crypto isn't dead, attracting speculation and development. So she actually ended up showing this breakdown by Messari. Messari does a bunch of analytics, and what this shows is actually smart contract network upswings forecast for meme coin rallies, and then meme coin crashes following those. And this may be kind of difficult to see because these lines are so light, but upswing, crash, right? Now, this doesn't always indicate the top. You guys can see that even along the way here, there have been plenty of periods, even during the bear market cycle, where we've gone through these different things. What she also said was, in their research, Messari suggests the following investment framework based on this pattern: buy memes when classic DeFi crypto plays start rising, then move the entire portfolio to cash and freeze trading when meme coins decline beyond a threshold. And what people need to understand is that we have had basically accelerated subcycles during this early start of the bull market cycle. We've gone from blockchain, gas tokens, governance tokens, to AI, to meme coins, back to blockchains, to AI, to meme coins. Capital's kind of moving in a circle, right? It's matriculating around the space. And what we've kind of seen is a couple mini meme coin sub-seasons, essentially, right? That's probably the best way to say that. And what this is all kind of accelerated by was early retail hitting the space. Things got very exciting early on. Shiba Inu experienced this impact from early retail money. All right. We got a nice pump back here, got a nice pump, obviously leading out of October as well. And then finally, at the start of March, we had that massive surge in terms of Shiba Inu breaking through a bunch of our resistance. And what this was a lot of new, fresh capital, new faces hitting the crypto space a little bit earlier than it normally does. Now, someone on X did actually disagree with her. He said the framework for this entire thesis is wrong, means we're the first to pump in this cycle, which isn't quite right. He said, unlike the past, we are moving into a higher liquidity cycle with interest rate cuts. We are nowhere near close to the peak. And I say I have to agree with this 100%. We're actually just getting started. And the reason why is there's these four phases that we go through in a crypto market cycle. All right. Phase one is where Bitcoin is starting to get some of the major inflows. It causes price surges. It kind of leads the way for everything. Then phase two, Ethereum is starting to outperform Bitcoin. They start talking about the flippening. You see Ethereum dominance start to gain heavily versus BTC. And what I have to say is, looking at this Ethereum BTC chart, we've just essentially bottomed, right? This may be our bottom. We don't know yet. Okay. But typically this bottom actually happens sometime around the start of the year. It's been historically January. I talked about this actually several months back because it looked like January was going to be the bottom, but we continued to go further. So now we may be in this period where Ethereum is actually finally starting to outpace BTC because of these approvals of Ethereum spot ETFs. We have to wait and see what kind of inflows we start seeing from those. We still got to temper our expectations there. But this may only be the beginning of phase two. All right. We still haven't seen phase three, where Ethereum has been outperforming BTC for a while, where large caps are going parabolic, and then alt season, where large caps have gone vertical. You see mid and small caps start to take off. Meme season everywhere is just going crazy. We're not in those times yet because, frankly, we haven't seen retail come back in this big way. But I'm 99.9% sure retail is coming back. And the big reason why is, look at the push around the world, right? These Ethereum ETFs are being pushed into the face of the public. You have celebrities creating meme coins. There's a lot of optics throughout the world we typically do not have at this point in the cycle. Okay. Things are happening earlier. They're happening at a larger rate, which means we're getting into mass adoption. There is going to be a point where you start seeing these huge flows of capital flowing into the space. And because, again, I talk about this a bunch, because Shiba Inu has such big optics, because it's in the face of so many people, it's going to be one of those coins that gets a lot of love. All right, gets a lot of capital, a lot of new users. It may not be the best performing out of all meme coins, right? It's still, it's a what, $11 billion market cap, almost $12 billion market cap. It's going to move a little slower than some of like the new launches and stuff like that, but people need to understand we're just getting started. We're not even close to these best times in crypto. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.